If you own some crypto and you don't have a hardware wallet, you should get one. Why? Because if it's not your keys, it's not your crypto. What does that mean? If you're newer to crypto, you don't really get it. Like, what is it? What are people talking about? Basically, if you don't own the private keys, like if it's not on your hardware device, like I have this Ledger Nano X, you're trusting someone else to hold your money for you, and there's no need for that. In crypto, it was created to give you financial independency from the traditional banking system, so you don't have to trust some intermediary to hold your money for you. You can hold it all by yourself in your own personal safe, and you can keep the private keys to your hardware device in places where only you can access them. What do I mean by that? Don't keep them online. Don't keep them, don't email them to yourself. You need to write down your 24 seed phrase words and keep them hidden in places that only you can access. So the purpose of having a hardware wallet like this Ledger Nano X is to keep your crypto safe. Yeah, as reputable as some of these crypto exchanges have become, like Coinbase and Kraken, I've had several times on very busy days where there were major changes in the market where maybe crypto's dropping. I couldn't access my Coinbase account, and that was even in 2024, this year. They should be well past those days, but they're not there yet. As much money as they've made and how much preparation they should have had up to this point, Coinbase is not on their game whenever the system gets congested, network gets congested. There are some theories out there that suggest that Coinbase is so in the game now and so in agreement with the government that maybe there's a little bit of manipulation going on behind the scenes, that they intentionally don't allow too many people to withdraw their crypto at the same time so as not to cause a complete market crash. Those are just theories. I don't know that for sure, but your best bet, your safest bet, is to go get your own hardware crypto device and hold the keys yourself. That way you can access it anytime you need it. So why would you trust someone else to hold your money when you can hold it yourself, right? So go out there, get yourself a hardware wallet like I have. I've chosen the Ledger Nano X, and I've had it for a couple of years since we lived in Costa Rica, and it's still kicking. Made it through the tropics and the salty air. So I'm impressed with it, and it's known to be one of the safest out there. I am not by any means saying that any of this is bulletproof in the crypto space. Just like holding cash in your mattress is not bulletproof, just like holding cash in a bank is not bulletproof. There's always some kind of risk in anything that you do, right? So let's discuss and compare three of the top crypto hardware wallets. First off, we have the Safepal S1 Pro. That's their top of the line offering. You have the Trezor Safe 5 and the Ledger Nano X. So the Safepal S1 Pro, some of the pros regarding that one: it's affordable. It has an app browser and cold wallet. You can buy crypto with a credit and debit card. That's a cool offering. They have NFT storage. Some of the cons, they do have some concerns regarding their security of the S1 hardware wallet. You have to scan a QR code to be able to access your wallet, and doesn't appear to be quite as well constructed as some of the others, saying that it is the most affordable, coming in at $89. Moving on, we have the Trezor Safe 5. Some of the pros: it supports over 5,000 crypto assets. It does have an easy navigation kind of touchscreen deal, but that big touchscreen is a little clunky to me. I didn't care for that, and I wanted something that appeared to be a little more durable and was easier to store, and something that doesn't seem like it would break quite as easy as what that Trezor. It seems like if you set something down on that thing, it could get crushed fairly easily. Some of the other cons, it is expensive, coming in at $169. There is no seed recovery service to my knowledge. It only has a USB-C connection. There is no Bluetooth, and it only has a 1-year warranty. So finally, that brings you to the choice that I chose, and that's the Ledger Nano X. The pros is that it's considered the gold standard of hardware security. It has the SE Secure Element chip. And if we're being honest, that's the most important thing I want with a crypto wallet. I want to make sure that what I put in my hardware wallet is going to be there when I try to access it later, right? Keep my stuff safe. It supports over 5,500 crypto assets. It also allows staking with your crypto assets and stores your NFTs for you. It has, the new Nano X has Bluetooth and USB-C connection type. It's durable. Like I said, I had mine in the jungle and beaches of Costa Rica for several years, and everything worked well. Even with the high humidity, seawater, and salty air, everything's still kicking, and I've had no issues with it whatsoever. And they also offer a 2-year warranty. The only con I really have with it, I feel like it looks like a jump drive stick, right? So it's kind of finicky. You gotta press these couple of buttons, but once you figure it out, it just takes a few minutes and you get familiar with it, then you feel a lot more comfortable. And the price comes in at $149, so $20 cheaper than the Trezor, a little bit more expensive than the Safepal, but I'm here for security, right? So another really cool thing about having the Ledger Nano X is that if you do lose your wallet, you don't lose all your crypto forever if you keep your recovery phrase. So you just buy a new Ledger wallet using your old recovery phrase, and then bam, you have access to. For these reasons, I chose the Ledger Nano X. If you want to get one for yourself, you could go to the link below. I'll make a little bit of a commission on that, and I'd appreciate you going through that referral. And if you found this video helpful at all, please drop a comment. Have any questions, please drop them below, and subscribe. And also, if you don't like the Ledger, if you like something else better, please drop in the comments below. I'm always open to learning more, right? Just like we all should be. And I pray that each one of you has a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.